Compared to other major U.S. cities, Chicago has a fairly low cost of living, well behind places like New York, LA, Seattle, and Boston. But car insurance is quickly becoming the exception. Drivers in the state of Illinois have seen their insurance rates skyrocket in the past year, with a cumulative increase of nearly 38% between mid-2022 and the second quarter of 2023 alone. To find affordable car insurance in Chicagoland that still gives you all the protection you need an expert on your side. Let's get into it. Jerry's got your back. Let's start by looking at why rates are going up so quickly in Chicago. It comes down to two main factors: rising accidents and inflation. Chicago's dense traffic means a higher risk of accidents and insurance claims. Roughly 5 people are seriously injured in a car accident every day in Chicago, and traffic fatalities happen every 3 days. Accidents have been on the rise since 2020 as drivers return to the streets with a little less practice and a little more impatience. Add to that rising inflation, which makes auto repairs more expensive than ever, and insurance companies are losing money on claims and scrambling to get it back by raising rates. That leaves tons of Chicago residents overpaying for car insurance, but you don't have to be one of them. First, start by shopping around. Not all insurance companies have raised their rates significantly in the past few years. For instance, Nationwide and Progressive have kept rates comparatively steady in comparison to companies like State Farm and Geico. Smaller regional insurers may have even more affordable rates. The only way to know for sure which company has the best rates for you is to look at actual quotes. Jerry simplifies this by creating a single profile that we use to pull real quotes from insurers in your area. You can quickly compare different providers and different levels of coverage to find a plan that fits your needs. In addition to shopping around, you can lower your rates by tracking your driving with a telematics program. Most insurers offer a discount just for signing up to track your driving. And if you avoid unsafe habits like speeding and harsh braking, you could qualify for an even steeper discount. If you want to see how safe you already are on the road, head to the Drive tab in the Jerry app to activate your free driving score. Get tips to improve your on-road habits and earn perks at the same time, just for driving safe. Finally, don't forget to make sure your policy reflects the exact coverage you need, no less and no more. Most drivers need a full coverage policy, especially if you don't own your car outright. But you may not need add-ons like rental reimbursement, and you could save a little each month by raising the deductibles on your comprehensive and collision coverage. Jerry allows you to build a custom policy when shopping for quotes in the app, so you always have what you need for the right price. Click the link in the description to get started. We hope this video helped to ease your worries about finding cheap car insurance in Chicago. For more tips from the insurance experts at Jerry, like and subscribe to the channel.
Jerry, the all-car app that's got your back. Because we car.